Hey guys, I'm Chris Allen, co-founder, CEO of Red5. I wanted to talk a little bit about the MOQ5 library, which is a new Sans.io C library that we've built as part of the Open MOQ community. And it provides a zero network code implementation that puts all the protocol logic into C code that is without sockets or async runtimes. Has a passive state machine, decoupled transport, and kind of a deterministic execution, which removes application threading, event loops, and system clock dependencies. And the biggest advantage with this is the extensive test coverage that it allows us to get. It's basically like flake-free, testing across all kinds of conditions. We can run super complex multi-subscriber scenarios in just a matter of milliseconds, and we can basically mock up the entire wire system. So a lot of the problems that you get with these sort of libraries is that you can't test every kind of scenario with like network conditions and everything else. So this Sans.io model is really helping with that. And that's really one of the reasons that Ray from our team ended up choosing this. Right now we've got bindings with this kind of pristine FFI model that allows us to build plugins without really any friction, because you don't have to touch the IO layer on the various languages. So we've already got a Rust implementation. We're working on Swift bindings right now. We've got WebAssembly as well. Or at least I believe that one's in the work, but I don't want to speak to that one yet. There's a ton of work being put into this library. And really our aspirations for this is to become kind of the de facto MOQ library for building client applications, whether it's building like robotics and IoT hardware that's going to be live streaming, whether it's to drones and everything else, down to players for set-top boxes and smart TVs. And then, digital signage would kind of fall in that category as well. And then, of course, the kind of obvious stuff like mobile devices, iOS and Android. Those are one of the first targets that we're putting out. This is pretty exciting stuff. I'd love to get your opinion on it. You can find the repo at the Open MOQ GitHub. I'll make sure that the link is in the comments or whatever, the blurb that goes with this video. Love your feedback. Let me know what you think. And if you've got some use cases that want to implement live MOQ streaming, let us know. We probably can help. Thank you.